Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ajit Kumar. In this video, we will going to discuss about the refresh only command which we are running in the Terraform. So as you can see here, this is the refresh only folder I do have, and this is the configuration where I have provided here the that provider and this Terraform, and this is the resource group. So normally, let's first go to the terminal and run the plain command so that we can know how this refresh only going to be work. So first of all, I will go to the project first, and this is my directory. Let me clear that one. And so at this moment, we do have two tags. These are the two tags which is going to be update. Tag 1 is the div, and that tag 2 is the share point. Okay, so I will go ahead and very first command I will run the terraform init to initialize. Currently I'm using 2.64.0 for the terraform version. Let it download the provider plugin and initialization to be complete. It got completed. Let me run the terraform validate command to make sure our configuration looks good. There is no any issue with that, so it looks good now. Let me clear the screen first, and I will go and hit the apply. Okay, sorry, it should be auto approve, and after that we will going to make some of the changes. So this is the resource group. My RG1 is going to deploy along with the tagging value. This is the first tag, and this is another one. So let me back to this Azure portal and refresh this one to make sure resource group to be created. So this is the resource group got created. Let me open that one, and this is the tagging value. I can see here the tag 1 and the tag 2. Let me update here some of this thing, the tag 3, and we'll add the location Atlanta, and we'll apply this one. Okay, and again we'll back to the Azure that VS Code, and let me clear the screen first, and we'll run the Terraform plan, and we'll see the print message. So here you can see the clearly it is showing there this minus sign, and this tag we have updated outside the Terraform, means the Terraform has not tracked this one. Okay, we have manually added. If anybody has manually added to the Azure portal, it will not going to track by the Terraform, as we already learn here in this section. Okay, in the lifecycle module. Okay, so if I run here the Terraform apply, it will going to remove this one. Okay, it will be going to remove this tagging whatever we have added manually. Okay, so instead of that, what I will do, I will run here Terraform apply and refresh only, and let's see what is going to happen. So here whatever the changes, if I go to my tfstate file which has got generated, okay, let me first cancel this one, then only we will be going to. So this is the tfstate file. If I go there, you can see here I do have only two taggings. Whatever we have added manually, it is not going to add it to the tfstate file. Okay, let me run this command and apply refresh only, and we'll see what is going to happen. So this will going to ask some question. So as you can see here, the refresh only plan, this is the refresh only plan, and so Terraform will not take any action to undo changes. Okay, so if it is asking for the confirmation, if I put here the yes, so as you can see here, there is nothing got added, zero added, zero change, and zero destroy. If I go back to this our desired state means configuration file, if you can see here, there is one backup Terraform backup state file got created, and if I open that one, in that it having only two tagging value. Okay, and if I go back to this the original tfstate file, it is having three value. Okay, so it creates a backup of that Terraform state file, and whatever the changes we updated using this refresh only, it got updated to the tfstate file. Okay, and now again we have means our tfstate file got added, means updated. Now I will go ahead and run. Let me first clear this one. Now I will go and again run the Terraform plan, and we'll see what we are getting here. So again you can see here, even after updating my tfstate file, we are still getting this option, this Atlanta, the tagging 3, it is not tagged in the Terraform. Because why? Because once anyone has updated and it got updated to the Terraform tfstate file, we need to also update the configuration. So here we need to add that value. Okay, administrator should add that value, then only it will be going to track by the Terraform. So we should ensure we should have that update in the our desired state configuration, means this desired state configuration file, and we need to have that value available. So administrator should go back to this tfstate file, whatever the changes got made, it should be updated to the desired state file also. Okay, now if I run the Terraform, let me clear the screen. Now if I again run the Terraform plan, it is not going to it is going to track that one, because yeah, that tag 3 is already there in the tfstate file, and also we have updated to the desired state configuration file. So as you can see here, no changes, your infrastructure matches the configuration. So this is how the refresh only going to work.